Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch, arrowhead stitch. This stitch looks like an arrow and I'll teach you this stitch in 3 lines. Start at the end of the first line and now we'll insert the needle in the middle line and bring it out in the last line a little below the previous stitch. Insert the needle, you will get a diagonal stitch like this, and straight to the starting point you should bring the needle out in the third line and insert the needle in the same point, the center line, and bring it out straight in the first line like this. And again for the second stitch, insert the needle in the center line and bring it out straight to the previous line in the last line like this. And again insert the needle in the center line and bring it out in the first line, a straight stitch like this. We have finished the second arrow, and for the third arrow you should start in the middle line, insert the needle in the middle line and bring it out in the last line straight to the first point. Insert the needle in the center line and bring it out in the first line, a straight stitch. We have finished the third arrow. Continue this till the end of the line, and if the distance between the stitches is maintained equally, the stitch will look very beautiful. Finish it in the center line like this, and the arrow will be finished. I hope you learned this stitch, and this is the back view of the stitch, one straight line and one slanting line. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the link given in the description box. To learn more stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.